What if I told you that you could save $100 this week without giving up a single thing you love? Most people think saving money always means cutting back, but that's a trap. The first mistake people make is ignoring the tiny leaks in their finances. I had a friend who was paying $12 a month for an app they never even opened. One small tweak later, and suddenly $50 extra was sitting in their account. Small, almost invisible things like this silently steal your money. Second, most people don't use tools that track their spending automatically. I set up one simple alert for myself and I realized I was losing $15 every month on a service I forgot about. One click, one action, and I saved $60 that month without changing my routine. Third, timing matters. Waiting just a few days for a small promo or cashback opportunity can instantly give you extra money without touching your lifestyle. That's how smart people save while others overspend. Fourth, rethink everyday habits. Little things, making coffee at home, pausing unnecessary subscriptions, seem small but they add up fast. This week alone, these small tweaks can easily save $100. And the hidden trick most people miss: bundling all of these strategies together multiplies your savings faster than you think. Most people never even try it, which is why they continue leaving money on the table. Follow these steps this week and you could save $100 or more without feeling deprived. If you find this helpful, subscribe for more. And don't forget to like and comment with the tip you are going to try first. And if you think that's good, wait until the next video. I will reveal the hidden hack that can double your weekly savings effortlessly. You won't want to miss it.